So we're looking first to gold, then to Bitcoin. I want to show you why the hyperinflation is coming and why you can prepare yourself for this. Um, Let me look here to the history. It is important if you want to read this chart. Um, if you look to 1905 to 1930, over the 30 years here, yeah, you can see we have a really good uptrend in this RSI. Yeah, you can see we have here a really good uptrend. Yeah, if we implement this in this chart here, yeah, if we implement this here in this chart, a horrible prediction is coming out. Yeah, that means if I look to this chart, then this chart has a really good uptrend. Especially if you look more inside and want to understand this pattern here. Yeah, this pattern is a huge hammer. Think about this. You have to think about this, how big this is. Look, this pattern starts here at 2000 and go until now. Yeah, these are over 20 years. Yeah, 20 years. The gold price built here a hammer. This is, you can describe this like here. This is also a hammer. You can see. Yeah, the price is going higher, and then you can see this is the effect of this. Yeah, but you cannot compare this time frame with this hammer. Yeah, if you want this exactly, there's a similarity between them and them. Yeah, but we can say that we are here coming to the end. That means if you look, this was our first hammer and this is our second small hammer. And if you calculate this, both these are together a big hammer. Yeah. And if this explodes, you can see exactly we are at 0.78 Fibonacci level. The next level is Fibonacci level 0.61. That means the price of gold will go to 3,400. Then I think a retest will happening, yeah, a little bit sideways movement, and then you can see the next target is here, gold 5,000. Then it depends what the rich here make, or the elites, or the people who have money and manipulate the gold price. It can happen that we stay here at the 0.5 level and go only sideways, yeah, because our neckline is going exactly through 5,000, and then we retest, and then break, yeah. What also possible is this is exactly our neckline here. We jump through this neckline and build a manipulative uptrend. It means that what you see here is exact this, but a little bit manipulated to the upside, yeah. So that nobody check this a little bit, a little bit, a little bit, yeah. We built here uptrend, and then the gold price is in direction of 10,000, 12, or 14,000, yeah. But this is future. But what we can say here exact, the next price pump is in direction of 3,500 and then second 5,000. Yeah, this is really, how can I say, a little bit fear. Yeah, if you look that the gold price will pump here 100% from 2,000 to 5,000, 100%. Yeah, imagine what happens with your money. If you have $100,000, then your money is only 50,000 or 30,000 in value. This is horrible what is coming, but if you are smart, then you know what is to do. So we're looking here to Bitcoin. We have also the same situation here. Wonderful, yeah. This is now a chart, very zoom out, yeah. And you can see here in the Bitcoin price a big hammer. So that what we talk about the gold price is exactly also here. We can find this also here. You can see we built at the Bitcoin price a big hammer. This is huge. If you understand this chart, you can see the price of Bitcoin was here 600. The hammer begins here and ends at 70,000. That means this hammer, if you are finished in this pattern, is like this. Yeah, let me look. I adjust a little bit. So in my eyes, clear next target for Bitcoin 200,000. Yeah. This is not a random prediction in which this is my wish or okay, I want that the Bitcoin price will go to 200,000. No, this is a pure technical analysis, pure experience. Yeah, and if we zoom in, let me look, zoom in, it makes sense. We have to look a little bit to the time frame. If we're looking here to 2030, 200,000, we can get this a little bit earlier. If we zoom in, then we have here more detailed data in this case. And if we zoom in, let me look, then I can recognize we can reach this target earlier. Yeah. Let me look and check and draw again. So in my eyes, we have to not wait here for 7 years. It will come a little bit earlier. So I think after building this structure, the price can go really hard to the upside. Yeah. You see, I draw if I zoom in more exactly and more exactly. So you can see um, if we go more in this chart, then we can recognize more details. This is a W pattern. The price of Bitcoin will fly. Yeah. So this is a prediction long term. Let's look here to the near term. You can see we have this constellation here. I said we will go to 30,000. Now we reach the 30,000. Let me look more inside. That what is coming next week is really big. The reason is we already, or we are at the moment, fighting with this resistant. Yeah, and you can see we tested so many times. This will not hold. That means Bitcoin prepare himself for a breakout, especially if you look here to the last fragment. Yeah, this is huge. If you see something like that, yeah, the elites are, they think they are smart, but they are not smart. Yeah. Normally, look, this what you see here, this hammer ends like this. Yeah, the price is have to look like this. Yeah, but what they made here is they have, or they made here manipulation and push this formation to the upside. Yeah, so that we can see here uptrend, like the gold chart. What we can expect is a little bit downtrend. Yeah, and then outbreak to the upside. Clear. Yeah, clear. This is a clear uptrend formation, a little bit manipulated, but we can see the price. Let me look here also. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Yeah, the price of Bitcoin will fly next week. Yeah, this is my feeling. This is also what I see here. we're coming here to the end. What possible is they can a little bit manipulate to the downside here. Yeah? So like this, that we're going here to these levels, yeah, that we get that here. Who cares? Yeah, so the price of Bitcoin will fly. We have here uptrend. So what possible is they can do here last manipulation, and then I think 19, 15, 16, 17. I think 19. Yeah, 19 is the day in which the Bitcoin price will fly. Why 19? Yeah, why 19 April? If you look here to the history, then you can recognize that we had our crash 2 years before. We look in levels or timeline 19th of April. Yeah, I have this in my mind because this was really the day, 19th of April 2021, in which the Bitcoin price breaks really hard to the downside. So I think the cycle ends. Yeah, if we're starting here a cycle, um, again, the elites and the rich think they are smart, but they are not smart. If you draw here or make a chart and manipulate, do that not this in 2 years. Yeah, make here a little bit 2.5, so that the people not recognize this. Yeah, so I think the cycle is ending here, and then the price will fly. Yeah, have a nice day.